So hi guys, I watched the last video and I saw that it was like bugging a lot, so I apologize for that. This way. Whatever. So let's get right into the video. Today we're playing Bloxburg. Bloxburg? Bloxburg. Okay, let's start building. So I broke all of my house last time. I hope that this will turn out greater than last time. Um, so yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so yeah. Let's build the roof. Oh, oh yeah, right here. Yep. Oh, that's too much stars. Gotta go work, guys. I'm going to go work. Let's go. House factory. Holy cow. Okay. Holy cow. I will not be able to do that. It's too much dollars for me. 509 for my house. Are we serious? Okay. Okay. Let's start. Where's my work? Oh, I think I know where it is. I'm bored, by the way, guys. Work. I knew it. Work, 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 work. Work, 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 work. Let's go to work. I was the delivery person. Because that gave you so many dollars. Seller. No, 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 no. Did you just janitor? Whatever. Delivery person. Thingy planet. I don't know. Ouch! It's loading. It's loading. Music. One more chance. I read that in the chat, by the way. Let's take Pete's box. Pete's box. Pete's box. Pete's box. No! Another sky. Tacos. You need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open. Is that car? Thanks. No problem. Yeah. Go up here again. Oh, I'm gonna not bump into that tree. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Why am I going in the water? Well, that's dumb. Okay, I guess I'll just have to deliver it like this. That's not enough. That is not enough. Now I have to go back Wait, let's teleport back. No, no, work. Let's be the hairdresser. Nah, yeah, let's be the hairdresser. Let's be the hairdresser. It's like a dream. A dum 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 bum. Hi there. A messy haircut with a green color. Hey, you got my favorite. A messy haircut. Let's just do this. Is that a messy haircut? No, it's a bun, I think. Ah, messy. Wait, you don't have nothing over there. Green. Yo. Green color. There you go, ma'am or guy. It started off with ma'am. You want headband haircut with blue color. Headband. Blue color. Goodbye. It's a long line. You want a charming, okay. Charming. With blonde. Ah. Like a boss. There. How many colors? How many? 32 dollars? Oh my god. I think we'll have to do a part 2 of this. This is ridiculous. Let's I don't know. Let's I don't know what we should do. Now I just have to watch. If there's water, I have to. You're stinky. You need to take a shower. I'm starving. Oh. Well, let's go to Ivy's thingy-majiggy after Ivy's house. Let's visit. If it's small, I'm just going to eat and go back to my job, you know? Like a boss. There. I never knew there was a Ferris wheel here. Whatever. Let's go outside and then go to Ivy's thingy-majiggy house. If it's a big house, I'm literally staying there. Okay. Let's go grab a pizza. Nobody doom dum doom bada bum bada. Nobody boom nobody boom bada. Boo boo. Boo 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 boo. Oh. I'm so weird. That is a weird girl. We're getting closer. We're getting not closer. Where's water? There. Pizza. Sis, I know a funny code. My god, are you serious? I'll be back to you guys when I'm done my job. Guys, I'm at my last pizza right now. So, yeah. It looks like Chick-fil-A, guys. No, I don't know. From far away, it did. Promoted. Yeah. Woo. Hey. Let's say hey. Hi. Hi. Can I go to your house? I'm building mine. No, let's not say that. When I'm. Oh, yeah. You look like you need a break. Yeah, I do. Relax in my cafe. Okay, I'll follow. Take a day off. I know, I was about to finish. She has a cafe, guys. It's cool. Oh, come on, come on. Is that her cafe? No, is that her cafe? Where we come? Oh, oh, okay. I can't get out. Let's end the shift. Sit, please. Okay. Uh, sure. Yeah. What would you like? What would you like? A cafe. Hold up. Okay. Coffee, please. Please. Hi guys, I don't know where I left off, but this girl, I don't know if I saw it, I don't know what happened, but this girl over here invited me to her cafe place, so I kind of went. So yeah, what do pizza say? A very satisfying, okay. So, I wanna, I wanna watch U Block. Ooh, let's write a book. Well guys, yeah, I just want a new skill. There is flies around me because I But that will be the end of the video just because it's kind of boring. I will maybe, if we reach 5 likes, I know that's not a lot, but still, I'm not that popular. So, why is there a giant hole in here? If we reach 5 likes, I will do a part 2. So, yeah. Guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Goodbye!